Hi guys, Black Country Al here from Fitzgerald Electrical and Plumbing Solutions, doing a quick review on QUIKCORE. Some bits that I've been sent from Expert Trades. Right, what it is a quick way to remove cores when core drilling. And everybody hates core drilling and removing cores from your tools because it ain't the best and easiest job. What this kit does is you get a couple of adapters. One goes on your extension bar like so. The other goes into your core. Again, like so. Then that simply slots onto there. You get this little clip that clips in, and then that, when you want to remove that core, pop the clip out, take that off, and then you switch it for your other core bit. You would have to remove this from your other core, but what I'm planning to do is I've ordered 3 or 4 more of these guys so I can adapt them to each core. So every time I want to change a core, it's a matter of just popping this out and then change your core bit. Simple as. It also comes with a knockout, which is quite a clever idea. So when you've done when you're coring, you've got a big piece in there a big piece of material in there that's cored out. Get this rod, slide it in there, knock it through, knocks out the material from inside, which is a great piece of kit. So yeah, so if you're thinking of getting one or getting the kit, obviously the more cores you've got, the more of these guys you need. So I'd suggest getting 2 or 3 of these, 3 at least if you've got 3 different. I use 3 different size cores, sometimes 4, so I've ordered another 3 or 4 of these. Alright, thanks very much.